Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can sign up for your eHarmony account. It is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, simply open your App Store, and on your App Store you want to simply search for eHarmony. And once you have searched for eHarmony, it is going to be this application with the colorful heart, which is a dating app. Once you have downloaded and installed it, simply open it. And once you have done that, in order for you to go ahead and sign up, you want to simply tap on join now. And then you can simply tap on the gender you are seeking. So I'm just gonna go ahead and choose that I'm a guy, and then I'm seeking for a girl, and then I'm gonna tap on this. And you can simply choose where you are living right over here. Simply tap on next, and then you can simply tap on sign up with email, and then go ahead and enter your email right over here, and then simply go ahead and enter your password right over here. And now once you have done that, tap on sign up, and there you go, you have successfully signed up for a eHarmony account. So if you thought this video is informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.